folks, that's Michelle's back. Hey, Duck. It's not as cool as Friday, but still pretty good. Still pretty good.
Cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Howdy, folks. Michelle, cyclist. I told her to say drive. Tunnel Hill. We're out here with about 1 million people. And my bearing noise is back, so that's what that is. I think the bearing just wants attention. I think it's like, fine, no one's listening to me, I just won't say nothing. So we're gonna ride to the rest area. Should give us a pretty good ride. Maybe like 30 miles today, which is fine because 1 year ago we did about 28 miles. So in order to stay in par with repeating exactly what we did last year.
I'm not trying to beat anything.
No.
It's you.
Yep.
You have a goal.
I have a goal. We made it to Breeding Trestle without incidents. Besides the butterfly incident. We don't have to get into that. Life-saving efforts.
Okay, it's off the trail.
Yep.
Now I gotta release this inchworm that's on my knee.
Yep. Michelle has an inchworm. Taking measurements. Whoo! And the sun came out when you're on a bridge. You want to stop in the shade?
Three more. Here he comes.
Yep.
4, 5, 6. Wow, yeah. Right.
Go, turkey.
Let's see if they're gonna come down.
I see him. Got some turkey.
Maybe not. They're on the ridge line.
They're running. Alright. We'll go slow. Oh, there they are. There's one. Oh. I got my eye on the prize. Got my eye on the prize. That does feel good. Nice little relaxing, cool. Cool. Yikes. Limestone. Got us a nice looking copper head. All in attention. Might even strike a little. A little. Look at it, turn it. New Burnside for a little rest. Oh, ran over my foot. Alright, folks. We are in Stone Fort. Heading back. Hopefully we don't get a huge storm on us. But wouldn't be the first time. Probably get about 40 miles on the day. Alrighty folks, New Burnside. As you can tell, it's raining a little. So, stopping this little shelter, which I assume is part of the park. Ride it out a little bit. Alrighty folks, here's an update. It's raining, pretty good. It's rained on us the past 3 days. We're heading for the tunnel where we're gonna dry off a little bit, hang out. Thinking maybe there's gonna be some people in there with us. I don't see anyone. Looks like it's heavy on the other side. Oh, there's some people. Oh, yeah. Nice and foggy.
Yeah, very
All right, time for a break.
It's raining.
It's raining. Pretty good. I know I'm not a good weatherman. That's
No comment.
or I just don't have the right app. But it is raining pretty good. Deja vu. That's a puddle. Little pond. Little fishing hole back there. Yep, it's raining pretty good. Really. And as you can see, Michelle's back has collected a little bit more mud. She's like a green skunk. Hello, Pepe Le Pew. All right, folks. A little bit more rain. A little bit more rain. Definitely starting to feel like it did Friday. But we're doing good. We're passing people. I'm just really wet. That's really wet. We still got a good 4 miles, so 3.5, 4 miles.
How many?
About 3.5, 4 miles. Taking some shelter here. Wow, it looks like the sun's out over there. My bike short chamois is pretty soaking wet. Feels kind of like I have a diaper on. All right, back on the trail. We've run about 38.8 miles. It's not raining so bad now. Doesn't feel like it's raining much at all. We're pretty wet, pretty dirty, grimy. Pretty much like Friday, except a lot more miles. Yeah, yeah, we got like all sorts of dirt and debris in our hair.
We're taking tunnel field trail home with us.
Yeah, yep, I'm taking some of the trail home. Sorry, DNR. There's deer or something up there.
Yeah.
Alrighty, folks. Done almost 41 miles. Probably half of it in the rain, so we're pretty wore out, pretty hungry. and probably gonna go get something to eat. So do me a favor, like this video, share it, comment, subscribe, and thanks for following my adventure, mine and Michelle's adventure. If we had 39 miles, that's all we'd have, because I don't think I could pedal anymore. But I think I'm just gonna slowly get to my truck. Oh, there's the pedal. Oh. And one more look at Michelle.